The screen share. Desktop. Meet. Desmos vertical.
Hi, it's Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to show you how to graph inequalities using Desmos. Just going to give you some basics, so to give you an overall view of how to do this. Okay, I've gone to desmos.com/calculator, and it automatically puts me in the first option. I'm just going to quickly tell you insert F5 is grand for telling you all the commands on how to do this. When I'm done with this, all I'm going to do is Alt print screen to print the picture of the graph, and then Alt tab to Word, and then you can just paste it in here. Okay, let's go ahead and start with a linear inequality, and let's go ahead and type that out.
Y quote greater than x plus 1 1 quote y greater than x plus 1 as graph to audio trace. Press Alt plus T.
Okay, and another quick note, I am using Edge, so be very careful which browser, and of course some work great, some don't, but I love this function, so let's go ahead and trace this. Alt T.
Alt T. Graph paper x-axis visible from negative H.
Okay, so you always know it starts at the bottom of the graph. You have quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. This one happens to be in quadrant 3 up to quadrant 1, and it starts at the bottom and it traces up. You can also right and left arrow.
X colon 0.4. X colon 1.2. Y colon 2.2.
As it gets lower, of course, it goes down, and of course, it tells you exactly where it's on the graph. Let's hit escape, and let's go ahead and do a non-strict inequality.
Escape. Expression list complementary region. Expression enter. Expression 2 colon edit type in text.
Okay, here we go.
X. Caret superscript 2 2. Quote plus baseline plus y quote caret superscript baseline quote 2 2. Quote x quote squared plus quote y quote squared. Try adding an equal sign to turn this into an equation.
See, and I wanted you to listen to that. What's so nice about this is it tells you, hey, you're not done yet, keep going. And I just love that part of it. So let's go ahead and just keep going then, because it told us to.
Less baseline less than equals 9 9.
Okay.
Quote x quote squared plus quote y.
Point out that when you do less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, it automatically combines that into the correct looking symbol. Okay, let's go ahead and trace this.
Calculator expression list Alt T graph paper x-axis visible from H.
Okay, and traces that beautiful circle. Let's go ahead and hit escape and get out of that.
Escape. Expression list complementary region. Enter. Expression 3 colon edit type in text.
Let's go ahead and shade the vertical slice of a coordinate plane. That's going to look like really cool.
0. Less than. Equals. 0 less than or equal to you need something x quote. 0 less than or equal to quote x quote as graph to audio trace. Press Alt plus T.
But I'm not done yet, so let's keep going.
Less than. Equals. 0 3 3. Okay. 0 less than or equal to quote x quote less than or equal to 3 as graph to audio trace. Press Alt plus T. Alt T graph paper XH.
Okay, so it's like a huge rectangle in the middle of the graph. Two beautiful parallel lines on that. How cool is that? Okay, and let's go ahead and define a function, because of course that's going to be part of all your journey. So hit
escape. Expression list complementary region. Enter. Expression 4 colon edit type in text. F. Left parent leg. Right parent right parenthesis equals x quote caret superscript baseline quote f2 2 dash quote f1 1 quote f quote left parenthesis quote x quote right parenthesis equals quote x quote squared minus 1 as graph to audio trace. Press Alt plus T.
Very cool. Let's do it.
Alt T graph paper x-axis H.
Yeah, what a beautiful parabola there. Okay, and of course you can right and left arrow go up and down and everything you need to do. And of course you're typically not going to do all of these. I just wanted to jot out quite a few of them. For you, this is a student that we have. You're going to start out with just graphing linear inequalities, and then you're going to build up to all this. And of course, Alt print screen, open Word, and just paste that in there, and you've got it. Make sure you hit your applications key and check the size of it, and get it down to about a 3x3. Great job, and that's how you're going to graph inequalities and functions and other items for math. Have fun.